Okay, after posting the postal code here, you guys can see here it says United States. Very good. So that's all you need. Okay, here if you don't have a children, just choose you don't have a children. It's not a must. You have a pet, yes. And here you can on site for customer project, meaning maybe you will see them face to face. Okay, so here just click on save. You are done with that. Yeah, okay, done. So now let's go to home. Right, let's wait. All right, complete your profile hasn't been ticked, but just leave that. Now click on scan the project board, or you can click on continue with community. Anyone, just make sure you do it. So here, as you can see, these are projects you can join. Okay, these are projects you can join. There are there are many here, and they need you urgently. Okay, so make sure you read them before you go into it. Okay, yeah, that's all about creating an account on uTest. Okay, so when you complete a job, the person will rate you and will give you the job. Okay, to give it, if you read this carefully, this is a very simple something. I've read it, I've applied for this job on my second account. And before we move on, as you can see right here, they said MFA is required. Set up MFA on your account. What this means is an authentication. Okay, they need an authentication on your account. Okay, so just tap on it. Let me go to home. You need to use two-factor authentication, which is Google Authenticator, to verify this. Okay, alright, here I see enable MFA. Okay, click on enable MFA and sign out. Okay, so let's wait. As you can see, you need to read this. Okay, read this. So just download this Google Authentication app on your phone. It's very simple to do. On the Google Authentication app, you will see where it says scan. When you scan this, automatically it will give you a code. That code is where you put the code here and your device name here. Okay, if you're using Samsung A25, put it there. If you're using iPhone 17, put it there. Okay, then click on submit. Then you are done with that. Okay, you are done with that. So that's just it. Okay, that's how to create a uTest account. If you don't understand anything, guys, send me a message on Telegram or join my Telegram WhatsApp group, so you can send me a message. Link will be in the description. And also ask your question in the comments. All right, and I will do it to answer you. If you need your proxies, Geonix Proxies will serve you. Link will be in the description, so you can get all of these bonus I mentioned. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.